Well, 9 for 9 for saves. Double figures. Why not?
So it's Wells, Rice, and Judge up against Diaz. Quite a test for Edwin. And to the 1-run lead on the bottom of the ninth. That last ball that Soto hit 113 miles an hour.
That was tough luck.
Volpe just had him played perfectly. First pitch by Diaz, swung and missed at a 97-mile-an-hour fastball. Wells started last night with 0 for 3 and a walk, 8 home runs this year.
That's some gas on that fastball out of the chute.
The Yankees have hit 2 home runs today, 78 for the year, the most in the major leagues. And they've got 3 threats up here in the ninth with Wells, Rice, and Judge. And Wells fouls off the slider, and it's 1-2.
Good pitch.
One-two coming to Wells. And the slider misses. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Another slider. That one's down on a full count. Diaz's walks are up this year. He's walked 8 batters in 17 innings. 3-2 coming. And a foul tip held by Alvarez. Strike 3. 1 man down.
Another slider down and in. Back foot slider. Got him fishing.
It's amazing he was able to take the 1-2 and 2-2 sliders down, but couldn't on the 3-2.
1 out and nobody on now. Ben Rice 1 for 4 today. A base hit to center field in the 3rd. And Rice takes a slider for a strike, 0-1. This is Diaz's first appearance against the Yankees since 2022. Mets won all 4 games last year. They were fairly lopsided, and Diaz never got in any of them. And a foul tip for strike 2.
He's got a good fastball, good live fastball.
Aaron Judge looms on deck.
You see Edwin right there. Alvarez was walking it out. He said, just throw the ball back. Let's go.
He's feeling it, boy.
Love Alvarez and Diaz together. What a pair. 0-2 coming. Inside to Rice at 100 miles an hour. 1 ball, 2 strikes. One-two from Diaz. Little looper behind 3rd, and Beatty's there to grab it. 2 down.
Yeah, he jammed him big time.
Wow.
So the Yankees are down to their final out. And of course, it's Aaron Judge coming to the plate in a 1-run game.
What a game. What a game this has been.
Yes, it's been fabulous.
Mano a mano. Judge in his career is 0 for 2 against Edwin Díaz. And he takes a slider for a strike, 0-1. Judge is 0 for 4 today. He struck out twice. And Judge gets a slider and pops it foul out of play, and the Yankees are down to their final strike. 47,000 plus all standing. Met fans, Yankee fans alike. Oh-2 from Diaz to Judge. Off the corner with a slider, 1-2.
Good 0-2 pitch.
Now the 1-2. Slider a little further outside. It's 2-2. If Judge keeps it going, Cody Bellinger would be next.
I like the 2-2 fastball. If it misses, 3-2 slider. That's what I would go. So I'd be thinking 2 pitches ahead here.
2-2 to Aaron Judge. Fouled it away. 100-mile-an-hour fastball.
I mean, the late swing on that makes you want to throw it again, but
again the 2-2, and he threw the slider to the backstop, and now a full count. So he got ahead of Judge 0-2. Now Diaz has gone full.
He's going to do what he did to Wells. He'll stay with the slider on the 3-2.
Three-two coming. He struck him out, and the ball game is over. 99-mile-an-hour gas upstairs, and Edwin Díaz notches the save, and the Mets even up the series with a 3-2 thriller.
That was the pitch, Ron.
That's right. I was wrong.
Wow. He had a very good fastball today.
You know, this game has so much information. It's so analytical, and every once in a while, it's like, I'm going to throw this ball as hard as I can. See if you can hit it.
Edwin Díaz now 10 out of 10 in save opportunities. Got Judge to climb the ladder to finish off this 3-2 Mets victory. As the Mets work around a couple of Yankee home runs, Reed Garrett somehow survived the 8th, and Diaz dominated in the 9th.
Nice bounce back victory from the Mets. Mets got two of their 3 runs with the sacrifice fly. Vientos earlier in the game, and Lindor with the game winner.